So this is just going to be a tutorial. I do recommend that you do go take a look at my other videos that I do have on here showing you all how to do measurements, etc. This is just going to really be an overview of how to measure your shirts. So for your printout. So first thing that we're going to do, we're going to pretend that we are making a large shirt, right? So we're going to obviously pretend that this is our shirt right here, and this is what you would do. You'll be doing this in person. I'm just showing or trying to give an example of what you'll be doing here, and I am doing this on my iPad. All right, so you have this. I'm going to open up a ruler. I do recommend that you watch this video all the way through. So this is our ruler. What you will do with your ruler, you will need to, oh, I just noticed that this is in centimeters. Let me see. Well, this is just for fake, pretend. All right, so you'll put your ruler out on your shirt, right? And I typically like to go out just a little bit. I don't measure starting here. Let me get my tools. I don't measure starting here to here. I will measure going out just a little bit just to give me a little bit of wiggle room. And I will measure starting here to like right here. So just like an inch or so, not even, yeah, like an inch from the edge of the arm. And then you will do the same thing for the top part of your shirt. So you are not measuring starting here to here, because you may realize that when you start pressing that the paper may move a little bit. You didn't try to do it, but it did move. So if you do it from here to here, you're taking a risk of having this bottom part of the shirt right here white. So that's why I recommend that you go out an inch here and here. Okay, so the first part of creating your printout is you need to know your measurements. So we're going to put that down. So number one, measurements. Okay, now we're going to start preparing our cutout. So you are going to need a few things, and also keep in mind that you don't need these things. This is just what I recommend. This is how I teach. You may follow other people who may say that none of this stuff is necessary. But if you're following me and you're watching my videos so that you're not confused, follow my lead. So number two, design. 3, cutouts. Number 4 is going to be slice. And part 5, print. Okay, I need to add that when it comes down to measurement, so we're going to pretend that this is in inches. So from, let me grab another color. So from here to here, this is just me throwing out a number. That'll be 32 inches. And then from here to this one, that's going to be 38. So this is very important that you keep these numbers in mind. If you would like to have my measurements that I already have for the shirts that I use, you can click the link below or scan this QR code, and it'll take you directly to my measurements and to the shirts that I have. Our shirt that we're using, again, is a large shirt, large men's shirts, and our measurements is 38 by 32. All right, so next we need to go to our design. So